Hi everybody, the requirement is find how much inventory is stolen. Okay, the example, Paul Adams runs a grocery shop. Paul knows that some of the items of grocery has been stolen during the year and asks you to find from the accounting details the value of inventory stolen. Some information given. Again, from the information we look what requirements are and what I need to do. We've been given with sales, opening inventory, purchases, closing inventory, and some markup. Okay, so we need to use a trading account, mini trading account, to find our answer. We'll start with sales, and it is 465,750 less cost of sales. Under cost of sales, I'll start with opening in another column which is given 20,000 plus purchases. Your purchases are 350,000 less close-in. Now here I'll give you a pause. I'll not use this information because this is not the correct information, because we know some inventory being lost. We can't use it. Okay, for the time being, let's put it. And once you add up, you're supposed to get your cost of sales, and sales minus cost of sales is supposed to get your GP, gross profit. Okay, using your markup 35% information and our conversion, cost plus profit. Okay, cost plus profit equals to sales, and if the markup cost is 100%, the profit markup given 35%, and your sales is 135%. This time our sales is 465,750 over 135 times by 100. We'll get a cost, and the cost is 345,000. That's your cost, 345,000. Sales minus cost, you get your profit, which is 120,750. Yeah, that's your gross profit. Well, now you work backwards. From this figure, you take away these two, you'll get your inventory, which is 25,000. Yeah, now as you can see, your inventory should be INV should be 25,000, but at the top it's given 20,000, so clearly there is 5,000 inventory lost or stolen. Yep, that's it. Lost or